Good morning, guys. We're out here again at Lake Mead. Water is a little choppy today, not too bad. Hopefully the wind dies down. Just launched off of the shore there. There's the truck. Gonna hit the first few coves here on the left side and start off this Friday morning. So here we go. Saw a lot of bass boats this morning, like a whole caravan of them. They all turned off into Colville. I wonder if there's a tournament this weekend or if there's just a lot of people fishing today. But so far out here at Echo, there's nobody. I think there was one boat that was coming up here. When I seen them all turn into Colville, I was like, all right, I'm gonna go all the way to Echo. Because I originally planned to launch from Colville, but there was 4 or 5 boats that turned in. So I was like, okay, let's go further. Let's check it out today. Hope we get a bunch of fish. All right. Just pulling up to the first bit of submerged stuff. We'll see if we get anything here. Freaking wind. We're getting pushed too much. Right into one tall bush. That's what I hit. Probably grass over here. Come on, fish. I know you guys are here. Oh, there's a lot of grass there or something. Nothing. Maybe we have to come back in the afternoon or later in the day. That's what we did last time, and we were able to get on some bass here. It's like first thing in the morning. I don't get anything here. Kind of sucks. You guys see all those birds? Holy cow. There's so many of them. What the heck is going on? Jesus. A lot of birds. Does that mean there's a lot of bait fish? That was a crazy amount of birds. There's still a couple over here. Are those ducks? Where are they? I'm not sure, but there was a boatload of them. Let's try this little spot. Nothing's really busted on top water. I don't know if I should even be using this right now. Let's try. Heck. Got a twig. Get anything to come up and commit to this thing. Nope. Let's try this back corner. Never caught anything in this side. The other side was decent. Nothing ever here. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go, baby. Oh, yeah. It's a decent sized one, too. Hell yeah. Let's go. Look at that. That's a bigger one. Yoo! Yo, check this thing out, guys. This thing is fatty. Huh? It's a fucking chunky guy. All right, first big bass. Not a bad one. Can poke me in the finger though. Little asshole. Alrighty. It's the first bass I've caught in this cove. Usually I get skunked in here. That's cool. I wonder if he was cruising or if he was ambushing this spot. He felt like a hefty one for sure. Like it. More in this corner. And we'll move over there somewhere. Baby, let's get some more good ones. Oh, that's just grass over there. That's not good. Or am I on a fish? Oh, I'm on a fish. I thought I was snagged on something. Let's go. Not as good as the first one, but fucking take it. Look at this guy. Not a bad one either. Fat dude. Hell yeah. All right, another juicy cove to try out. And geese. Are they flying south for the winter? Maybe. Isn't that what they taught us in school? Come on, fish. It's pretty fucking quiet on this side now. Only got those 2 bass earlier. Had to open my big mouth and say the big ones. Might have to move to the opposite side. I'm not getting any action. There we go. Oh, and he came off. You fucking ass. Let's go, baby. You guys are in here, so please. Don't tell me I'm snagged on that same freaking tree I got snagged on before. Come on. Finally. Finally on another one. Took a while. Eat this thing though. Not a bad size. Chunky guy. How much time do you spend in one spot trying to catch fish? Do you do like a couple casts and move on? Do you stay 30 minutes, an hour? I need the big ones. Careful, you little ones. I think I'm oh. Whew. Why was that hard to net? Let's go. What is this little dude? Just caught a couple bass here. Of course, I wasn't recording because I didn't think I was going to catch anything. Let's try to see if there's more. Getting nibbles. Little nibbles, little nibbles. Nothing big. Need that big bass to swim by. Little nibbles again. Water's kind of stained over there because that clay. Come on, baby. Give me some action. Of course, I'm not gonna get any more bites now that I'm recording. That's how it works. All right, guys, wrapping up at Lake Mead. calling it a day. Fished for maybe about 6 hours or so. Got on to 7 or 8 bass, so not bad. One solid one, I think that was the first one we caught today. I think that was the biggest one. Other ones didn't really measure much, so fun time out here at Echo Bay again as usual. I love fishing out here. I'm just used to it, comfortable. Plus, yeah, there was a big, I don't know, bass tournament or something, because there was a lot of bass boats fishing today. They were everywhere. But still, not a bad day out here on the water. Temperature's cooling off, still a little warm, but not too bad. This morning was amazing. So, catch you guys on the next one.